Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Busola Oradugba. In today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to lay your edges. Your edges? You know what I'm talking about, don't you? I'm talking about your front hair, I'm talking about your baby hair. So the next time I see you and I see you with a bushy front hair, we're going to fight. Like, we are going to fight. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, you need to do that. It is free. Like, what's stopping you? Please do give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. So guys, for the sake of this tutorial, you're going to need two major things. Number one, your edge control, your hair wax, your gel, whichever one you have. I'm going to show you the picture of the one I'm going to be using for this tutorial, and you're going to need a hairbrush. Of course, you can use a spoolie, you can use a toothbrush. Yes, toothbrush. I'm using toothbrush. You can use a toothbrush you no longer use. You understand? That was what I used, and I've been using that for a while. So people tell me that no matter how much they try to lay their edges, it doesn't ever work. So if you fall in this category, if your hair is very stubborn and it doesn't ever lay down, it doesn't ever sleep, I have two hacks for you. These two things, they work wonders. The number one thing you want to do is to moisturize your hair with water before you commence the laying of your edges. Yes, that is very, very important. Moisturize the hair. I have done that before I started to lay my edges as well. And when you are done, the second thing is, when you are finally done, you need to probably get a head tie, a scarf or something to tie your baby hair. Like, you need to tie them down, you need to put them to sleep. Yeah, you need to put them to sleep. That works as well. You can do that for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or you can lay your edges, do your makeup, then remove the head towel. I'm not going to do that today because I know it is not necessary. Yeah, I've already moisturized my hair and my hair is not as stubborn as that. So just try water and try laying your front hair down. Just watch me closely. It's a very simple thing. Like, I don't like dramatic baby hair. I don't like it dramatic. I just like it very simple, and that is exactly what I'm doing, and I'm very sure you will get it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Take good care of yourself. Bye.